Meet EduCare, Institute Management System, your all-in-one solution for schools and institutes. With EduCare, you can easily manage students, staff, attendance, exams, and homework, all from one place. Automate fee management, generate vouchers in one click, and track collections with complete accuracy. Stay on top of your institute's finances with a powerful accounts and ledger system. Keep everyone informed with events and notifications, and access EduCare anytime as a convenient web app. EduCare makes your institute smarter, faster, and stress-free. EduCare, simplifying education management.
To add a subject, go to the left menu and click on Settings. Then select Subject. Now choose the medium, then select the subject type. Enter the subject name, followed by the subject code. Finally, click Save Subject. You can also edit or delete a subject anytime.
To create a new class or section, go to the left menu, select Settings, and then click on Classes. Now enter the class name. Next, select the section, and then choose the medium. If a stream is required, select that as well. Finally, click on the Save Class button. Your new class and section are now added successfully. To assign subjects to a class section, go to the left menu and click on Settings. Then, select Assign Class Subject. Now, choose the class. All the subjects you previously added will appear below. From the drop-down, select the class in charge and click Save Class in Charge. Next, select the subjects for this class and assign each one to a subject teacher. Finally, click Save Assignments.
To create or edit staff for your institute, go to Staff Management, then click on Staff Profile. Now enter the complete details of the employee. Start with the employee number and joining date. Type the first name and last name, then select the gender. Next, enter the mobile number and choose the designation. If you need to create or edit designations, click the button at the top left. After that, select the employment status and continue filling in the remaining information. Finally, add any allowances or deductions as required.
To take staff attendance, click on Staff Attendance. Here you can view all staff members. Simply update the status only for those who are on leave or absent. Once done, click Save Attendance. At any time, you can review attendance details by clicking on Attendance Report. Select a date range to generate the report. You can also export this report as a PDF. This is the Student Management module. From the drop-down, you can select a class to view all students in that class. You can also filter students by student type or by gender and export the list as a PDF. In addition, by clicking the WhatsApp button, you can directly send a message or make a call to the student's guardian. On the top right menu, you will find options for Admission Form, Manage Roll Number, Student Transfer or Promotion, and Student Search. Let's start by looking at the admission form. This is the student admission form. First, type the admission number, then enter the roll number. Select the admission date and choose the class. Next, select the student type, which is useful for applying tuition fee discounts by category. If you'd like to offer a discount, simply enter the discount percentage. Continue filling in the remaining student information. After that, enter the guardian's information. Once all details are complete, click Save Admission. The student will now be added to the list below. From here, you can edit or delete the record anytime. You also have options to search or filter students. To manage roll numbers, click on Manage Roll Number. Here, you can update the roll numbers of an entire class at once. First, select the class from the drop-down. All students in that class section will be displayed. Now, in the New Roll Number column, enter the updated roll numbers for the students you want to change. Finally, click Save Changes. That's how you can quickly update roll numbers for a whole class. This is the student promotion and transfer form. First, select the class from the drop-down. All students in that class will appear in the list. Now, check the box for the students who have passed their exams. Next, choose the next class where you want to promote them. Click Promote to confirm. If you need to transfer a student to another section, select the section from the drop-down and save the change. You also have the option to demote a student back to a previous class if required. Once all updates are done, click Save Changes to complete the promotion process.
To take student attendance, click on Attendance. From the drop-down, select the class. Now, update the status only for students who are absent or on leave. Once done, click Save Attendance. To view attendance reports, click on the Attendance Report button at the top right. Select a date range to view the report. You can also export it by clicking on Export PDF. That's how you can easily manage student attendance and reports.
This is the Exam Management module. First, enter the session year. Next, type the exam name, for example, midterm exam. Add an exam description, then select the starting date and ending date. After that, choose the classes that will take this exam. Finally, click Save Exam. You can also edit or delete any exam.
To create an exam timetable, go to the left menu and click on Create Timetable. First, select the exam you created earlier. Then choose the class. The subjects assigned to that class will automatically load. Now, for each subject, select the exam date, enter the start time and end time, and type the total marks and passing marks. Once you've entered details for all subjects, click Save Timetable. Your exam timetable is now created successfully. To print or export the timetable, click on the Timetable Report button at the top right. Select the exam and the class. You can then view, print, or export the timetable as a PDF. To post exam results, click on Marks. This will open the marks entry form. First, select the exam. All the classes linked to that exam will be displayed. Next, choose the class and click on Load Mark Sheet. Now, enter the marks for each subject one by one. When you are done, click Save Marks. This allows you to record results for the entire class in a single step. You can also generate a marks report. Simply click on the Marks Report button at the top right. From here, you can export the mark sheet as a PDF. You can also assign class-wise homework or diary to students. First, click on Assign Homework. Next, select the class. The subjects assigned to that class will appear in the drop-down. Choose the subject, then type the homework details. After that, select the assigned date and the due date. Then, choose the teacher who is assigning the homework. Finally, click Save Homework. Students can log into their portal and view the homework that has been assigned to them. With EduCare's event management, you can easily display upcoming institute events on the calendar. Just click on Manage Events from the top right menu, enter the event details, and then click Save Event. Your event will now appear directly on the school calendar for everyone to see.
For institute-wide announcements, use the Notifications feature. From the left menu, select Notifications, type the required information, and click Save. These notifications will instantly appear on your school website and student portal, keeping everyone updated.
Next, select the class and section. Here, you can assign different fee types with their respective amounts. From the drop-down, choose the fee frequency, whether it is monthly, one-time, or annual. Finally, click the Save Fee Structure button. This way, you can assign different fee types and amounts for each class.
To generate student fee vouchers, first select the class. The assigned fee structure for that class will automatically appear on your screen. If there are any fee types you don't want to include, simply uncheck them. Next, choose the billing period by selecting the month, then set the issue date and the due date. Now, click on Generate Vouchers. Instantly, all section-wise fee vouchers for the class will be created. The discount assigned at the time of admission will also be applied, but only on the tuition fee. After vouchers are generated, you can update any individual voucher using the Edit button. If you want to regenerate vouchers and overwrite the existing ones, check the Overwrite if exists box before clicking Generate Vouchers again. Please note, this will reset any individual updates you previously made to the vouchers.
To print student fee vouchers, go to the top right corner and click on Print Voucher. First, choose the class, select the billing month, and then click Fetch Voucher. All section-wise fee vouchers will be generated in a single PDF file, ready for easy printing. If you want to print the voucher for just one student, simply enter the student's admission number and click Fetch Voucher.
To collect a student's fee, enter the admission number or voucher ID and then click Fetch Voucher. The full voucher details will be displayed. Now, from the Payment Account drop-down, select where the payment was received. For example, choose a bank account if the payment was made through the bank, or select Cash in Hand if it was received in cash. Next, enter the amount, select the date, and if available, provide a reference number. Finally, click Save and Post to record the payment. You can also accept partial payments if needed.
In EduCare, all the necessary account heads are already created for you. But if you need to update or add a new account, simply click on Chart of Accounts. First, select the main account, such as cash or bank. Then, type the sub-account title. If the account has an opening balance, enter that as well. Finally, click Save to record the account. You can also filter your accounts by selecting a main account, making it easy to view related sub-accounts. This way, the chart of accounts always stays organized and up to date.
To create a voucher, go to the left side menu and click on Accounts Manager, then select Vouchers. Here you will see a list of all existing vouchers, which you can filter by date range or search directly. To create a new voucher, click on Create Voucher at the top right. Start by entering the voucher number and selecting the date. Next, choose the voucher type. This could be a payment, receipt, journal, or expense voucher. After that, enter a short description to explain the purpose of this voucher. Keep in mind this system works on the double entry principle, meaning every debit entry must have a corresponding credit entry. Now select the accounts involved in the transaction. If money is being debited, enter the amount in the debit column. If money is being credited, enter it in the credit column. To add another account line, simply click Add Row. For example, if you are making a payment to a supplier, select the supplier account and enter the amount in the debit column. Then, select the cash in hand or bank account from which the payment is made and enter the same amount in the credit column. Remember, for every voucher, the total debit must always equal the total credit.
To view the detailed transactions of any account, click on Accounts Ledger. First, select the account you want to review. Then, choose the From Date and To Date and click on View. The system will display the complete list of transactions for that account within the selected period. Also, remember, the balance of all transactions before the From Date is shown as the opening balance. This gives you a clear picture of every debit and credit entry linked to that account. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of EduCare, your complete institute management system.